What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd bring you another one just wrapped up. 70 Cutlass. I had this whole interior torn apart and put back together. Cut the tunnel to clear a 8-speed 8L90 in here. This one got a coated digital VHX. Older vintage air model kit. So we got that working. It's an older frame off restoration. It's got Texas Speed Stage 1 boost cam. Go ahead and pop the hood on you guys real quick. Lt4 Supercharged. So So 2016 Lt4. This was actually a dry sump setup, converted a wet sump. And if anybody's gonna think about doing this, I wouldn't do it. Just go buy yourself a wet sump Lt4. I'll discuss in some more videos on that topic. But it's got upper and lower pulleys. Got my pump mounted down here. So Wagner Motorsports front accessories. A pump in the back. We actually got a Hellcump fuel pump in the back. Heat exchanger is actually mounted. See if you guys can see that, but it's up front here. Speed engineering, long tube headers. Speed engineering adapter plates as well for the engine mount. Should be a good runner. It's got the 8L90 in it, like I said. So currently has 411 gear ratios in it. We're actually gonna go to a 308 on this because the 8L90's first gear is so thin out. It's basically useless right now. But beautiful car, especially a little trim there that goes there. Front hood piece there too, and the trim. Let's get that on, but beautiful car. Easy 700 horsepower with the setup we got going on, if not more. Well, we'll get it on the dyno and update you guys what the actual horsepower put out. See if I get under the car and show what the 8-speed's looking like. 8-speed transmission there. Just 2.5-inch exhaust, flow masters. It's already had on the car already. Oh, you got some ghost stripes too. Then we got the Dakota Digital hooked up with the BIM module. So it actually display my boost. There it is, vacuum and boost right there. And then we'll have this display over here, my RPMs. We'll do miles per hour. Got that supercharged sound, man. Alright, well, stay tuned, man. We'll update you with this when we get the gears and the dyno tune. Lt4. Thanks for watching.